Hey guys, last time around I was showing you something that looked like this. We did a pie graph going through Interphase, and Interphase is none other than G1, S, and G2. Okay, so we're just going to kind of run through it one more time, and then I'm going to lead into mitosis, and then a bonus track, if you will, called Cytokinesis. So here we go. So this is a cell, and inside of the cell you have a nucleus. And we're going to say that this is G1. Okay? Now what happened to the DNA during the S phase or synthesis? That DNA doubled. So let's think of it like this. Like literally if the DNA is doubling, let's just make our nucleus bigger. I think that's a very easy enough representation of it. So there's G1S, and then we have G2. So the cell goes back to doing its job, but in the process the DNA has been doubled. So G2. But mitosis is defined as nuclear division. And in biology, when we use that word nuclear, we're talking about the nucleus. This isn't physics, this isn't, nuclear energy or nothing like that, right? Literally, nuclear is nucleus, okay? So mitosis is nuclear division. So we're going to cut this in half, okay? Cut the nucleus, the chromosomes, okay? We cut them in half, and then we're going to end up with, at least momentarily, a cell with two nuclei, okay? Well, guess what? You can't really have a cell with two nuclei. That doesn't make any sense. So we're going to have to cut the whole cell in half. So now I have two daughter cells. Okay, so we had G1, bam. S, bam. G2, bam. Mitosis, bam. But lumped in there at the very end of mitosis is the true cell division, as I called it, the bonus track. Back in my day, we had bonus tracks hidden at the end of CDs. So the true cellular division is called cytokinesis. Do you remember that prefix cyto, like cytoplasm, for example? Cyto means cell. So we have mitosis, which was this right here, okay? That was the nuclear division, but then now cytokinesis is the cellular division. So what are the steps of this whole cell cycle? G1, S, and G2, followed by mitosis, followed by cytokinesis. But hold on, we gotta learn kind of what goes down during mitosis. And for that, let me get another sheet of paper here. I'm running out of paper. Oh my gosh, I was unprepared. I'll just use this wrinkly old thing. Steps of mitosis. Let's start off with a cell. We're going to call this prophase. That's on my slideshow, so I don't have to rewrite prophase out. But we have to, what is mitosis? It is nuclear division. So we're going to go through a process of trying to divide up that nucleus. So then we have metaphase, and we're going to continue to stretch this out. So here it's first getting stretched out, now it's completely stretched out. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and finally telophase was where we are two different nuclei. Okay, so the whole process for mitosis is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. All together, boys. Let's say it. Come on, be strong. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. And my nice little acronym, PMAT. Okay? PMAT. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. All right? So let's go back to this little thing we worked on. All right? Remember this? I just had it up here a second ago, right? So we have all of interphase, G1S and G2. And then we have mitosis, all right, which was PMAT. And then finally at the end we have cytokinesis, all right? So at the end of telophase we have a cell with 2 nuclei, but we have to cut the cell in half. So each cell, each daughter cell has its own individual nucleus, and that is, of course, cytokinesis. So you want my wonderful little acronym? Are you ready for this? It is IPMAT-C. No, you don't see MAT-P, that's gross, but IPMAT-C. All right? You got it? Aight.